टोटल 13 जणांचे ॲप्लिकेशन फाईल केले. आउट ऑफ दॅट 2 ॲप्लिकेशन फाईल बाय मी. One is that Rahul Talwar, and the second one is Akshay Talwar, and court has granted them conditional bail with a bond of ₹50,000 with 2 sureties for each.
आणि बाकीच्या कशें ते आणि 11 जणांनी बेल फायल
11 जणांक सेम कंडिशन दिला, पण that condition I am not aware now. Only after the order is ready I can tell you the exact condition, what are the conditions.
टोटल 13 जणांक बेल.
टोटल 13 जणांक बेल मेळ्ळी.
आणि तांची कोणी फायल केल्ली?
त्यांची स्पेन्सल व्हेगल्सान 11 बेल फायल केली. ऑन सेम कंडिशन, एव्हरीबडी हॅज बीन रिलीज ऑन द सेम कंडिशन.
I'm Advocate Nirmala Pace, colleague of Advocate Spencer Viegas, my colleague Chelsea Masreto. This is with regards to that incident named as the Mungul gang attack by the media, which happened on 12th of August 2025. And subsequently a charge sheet was filed on the 8th of November before the Honorable JMFC and is waiting for committal. We have filed for bails for around 12 accused, and today the Honorable Sessions Judge has granted them the bails. The conditions for the bails will be uploaded by the Honorable Court at around 2:30.